Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm here, and why does this look like this for the third time? The first time we didn't do it correctly, the wind blew it off. The second time we finally got it right. That's when we started purchasing whatever these things are called, I forget. And when we installed the top part, it had a little rip, and then the rip just got bigger, and then the whole thing flew apart. We had a big storm. And so now we're here again for the third time, but I think this time we're gonna get it right. We're not gonna rip it, and we're gonna install it correctly this time. So here I am. I'm gonna try to do it myself. I'm waiting for Erica to come out right now to give me a hand. But yeah, let's see how this goes. The plan with this is to grow a lot of lettuce and stuff for the winter because number one, we wanted to grow a winter garden. We have not done that yet, so we want to practice this year on the winter garden and practice inside the greenhouse. Hopefully it goes well. And then also Erica has cravings of like just vegan food for whatever reason. She hasn't really been eating any meat. So we are going to plan a lot of things for her. So that's what we're hoping for right now. Hold on. All right, go pull. Pull all the way. Pull all the way. Pull it. Pull it. No, that way, back. Pull it, go. Trying to put it on top of this. Hold on, let go. All right, so got the tarp on. It fits perfect. Goes from one end all the way to the other end. So it's like super perfect. So I'm just gonna start strapping everything on now. As you can see, this thing has like a little magnet that connects to the, so it could get connected to the shirt. I lost the magnet, so I'm looking for it right now. But yeah, so I'm just gonna start tying everything in. This one is actually better than the tarp we initially had because the other tarp, it was all like pieced together, whereas this one is perfect. And yeah, so I'm gonna just start putting everything together. This went so smooth. It went really, really smooth. It's nice and clean. You can watch the other videos that we had when we first did this the first time, even the second time. Like even the second time we had a rip, and that's what caused us to have to do it again, obviously. And yeah, there's no rips this time, and it just went so smooth. Also, the first tarp that we got it from Home Depot, the first two. This one was from Amazon, and so it was a perfect fit. Like there was not much left over on the sides. It was actually super perfect. We have about 3 inches, 2.5 inches on this side left, same on that side. And then the end, we have this much slack. And so I'll just cut that. And then the same on the other side, but this is what it looks like again. And so we hope to keep it this way, but I'm liking the way it came out. It's a lot nicer. It's neater than the last time. And so that's what happens when you fail. You don't give up. You just keep trying, and then eventually it works out. All right, now we're finally done. Have to clean up all this in here. Still have to add the windows back there. It's already like 110 degrees out inside there, and it's only like 75 degrees outside. So this thing really does what it's supposed to do. And I hope it regulates the temperature the same way in the winter time. So if it's, 30 degrees, I hope it gets to be like 55, 60 degrees in here during the winter season. So we'll see. So now I'm just cleaning up back here, folding up the tarps because we can repurpose them fold this up so we have it for next season. Hold on. I did pick up all this stuff. I'm just gonna finish cleaning up over here. Get rid of all this stuff right here. This is where the truck was at, so we will be setting another plot here for another garden. Over here, the chickens, gotta finish up this. I think we have to put the chicken fence higher again because they're coming out, even with their clipped wings. So I gotta figure it out. I know that over there, that did break. We were painting the chicken coop, adding some things. I just gotta finish up that back door. The rain catchment system ain't catching because that was all, I gotta redo a lot of things, all right? Let's just put it that way, but it will get done in the next few days. I was just working on it right now real quick, but I'm still missing a 1" to 3/4 reducer. So once I get that, that'll be all done. That's one thing, I'm always hopping from project to project instead of just finishing one thing. And that's something that I really have to work on. Because once something gets a little difficult or I need something, I'll just hop over to the next thing. And so yeah, so let's finish this off, all right? I cannot finish this back end right here because I need a couple 2x4s to finish that. So that's next on the list. Yeah, I'll get that when I go get the 3/4 to 1" reducer. I'll just grab a couple 2x4s. That way the greenhouse will be 100% finished. But yeah, let's get this all cleaned up and got everything. Got my trash bag with trash in it and just got to finish that up. Oh, look, I have a 2x4 right here that I could use. All right, so we may not need to go to Home Depot after all. Got that. We got this that don't think I'll be using this ever again, to be honest, but chickens are going crazy, getting all the bugs. It looks so much better already. So I just gotta take the ladder in the garage. Then that 2x4 I'll just leave out here because I need to use it for that. Earlier my truck was there and it was a big pile of mess here, so looks a lot better. So I got everything out for the most part, just little stranglers right there. Not worried about that, that could decompose right back into the soil. I'll be prepping this up and the chickens are eating some of them. So I just gotta prep this up now and just get ready. Tonight we're gonna go over and write everything down as far as what we're gonna be planting in here and how much we're able to plant in here so that we can start those seedlings indoors and then move them out here. So we got a little bit of time to prep this all up. And I do want to add some more soil into this, maybe some manure or some compost, I'm sorry, into this. So we have been making some compost. It's not doing the best like I really want it to go, but we're doing all right. I'll be adding that into the compost pile as well. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of, you hear that? I'm kind of glad it broke because now the way it is now is a lot better than how we had it the last time. Yeah, I know for sure I could make another one of these very fast. Like the whole thing. I could do this all over again very fast, a lot faster than I did the first 2 times. And then and also it'll be better. Yeah, now I know exactly all the things not to do when it comes to building a hoop house. This plastic is a lot better than Home Depot plastic. If you guys want to build one, definitely go to the Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. So if you guys want to purchase it, you can. Do not go to Home Depot and buy the one that's over there. There's a big difference. This one has a little bit of a stretch to it, and then the Home Depot one, they just, with any little thing, it breaks. I'll close this up now. And this door definitely did shift as well. I'll show you right here. I'm not good with doors at all. So there's a big gap right there. It wasn't like that. We did have some really, really big storms, and that's when everything started really going downhill with this. But like I said, I'm proud of the outcome. Sometimes things happen for a reason. Sometimes when something bad happens that you think is bad, you just got to trust in God and keep going and see what happens. And look, so these are just small lessons, life lessons. Got to trust the process. Yeah, so it don't look like much, but trying to get it all cleaned up out here, man. That's one thing about homesteading is you start getting all these junk piles everywhere because all the projects you do, all the unfinished projects you do, there's just junk piles everywhere. And so that's something that I'm trying to keep up with, just getting the habit of getting things cleaned up, and that all goes to the garage. So yeah, it's all good, man. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go feed the animals. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.